technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a huge gap up today on the back of RBI rate cut, and thereafter continued to inch higher throughout the day, ending the day on a positive note of 216 points for the day. The market price was positive with 938 advances to 591 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, HDFC, Reliance, ITC, HDFC Bank, L&T, Ultratech, Cement were some of the stocks which provided positive momentum to the Nifty, while PHEL, Hindalco, Hindustan Unilever and Asian Paints closed in the negative. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that after opening with a huge gap up, the Nifty continued to inch higher. In this process, it has also breached above the previous swing high of 8445, which indicates that there is higher bottom formation on the daily charts, which indicates an uptrend. It has also breached above this crucial downward sloping resistance trend line, which indicates that the trend or the resistance has been breached on the upside. The daily momentum indicator is having a positive crossover. So considering these facts, we have reversed our short-term trend to positive with a target of 8750 on the upside. So in the coming trading sessions, the high of 8627 and above that 8750 should be the levels to watch out for, and we change our short-term trend to positive. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening gap up, it continued to inch higher. In the last hour of the trading session, or in fact post 3 in the afternoon, we saw some selling pressure, and as a result of which the last hour has closed in the negative. We can observe that Nifty has faced resistance at the reverse channel level, that is when we join the two lows of 7961 and 8065 and we draw a parallel line on the upside, and that is called a reverse channel, and the Nifty has faced the resistance exactly over there. So it becomes very crucial for the Nifty to trade above today's high of 8527 for the positive momentum to continue. However, we feel that considering the fact that the higher time frame, that is the daily time frame and the weekly time frame, the crucial level of 8445 has been breached on the upside. So we have changed, and any dip that we get in the Nifty should be used as a buying opportunity. So considering these factors, we have changed our short-term trend to positive for a target of 8750 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has in fact broken out of a diamond consolidation on the upside. It was the clear gainer in today's trading session, and it has closed in the positive. Observing the chart of Bank Nifty has faced resistance around the 19,400 odd levels and has sold off from there. It did not breach the high it touched in the first hour of the trading session, and thereafter it continued to trade lower throughout the day. So we feel that it could be just a kind of profit booking, we can say, or it could be very much possible that the last leg of the Bank Nifty that we were expecting earlier might have just completed today. So it becomes very important for Bank Nifty also to trade above today's high for the positive momentum to continue. If in case this is an ending diagonal pattern, then we should in the coming trading sessions become aware when we see the sell-off in Bank Nifty. If and only if occurs, then we can take this as an ending diagonal pattern. However, looking at the positive momentum in the stocks and the Nifty, it is difficult to call that this is an ending diagonal pattern, and the trend for Bank Nifty should be down in the coming trading sessions. When we get more confirmations, it will be possible to call this an ending diagonal pattern. So until and unless that all happens, we feel that the Bank Nifty also shall trade with a positive momentum going ahead. For the Bank Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 19,063 and 18,840. On the upside, 19,410 and above that 19,900, which is the weekly upper Bollinger Band, can act as crucial resistances. For the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 84.20 and 83.60. On the upside, 85.27 and 86.27 are crucial resistances. So overall friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty have changed to positive. Looking at the today's price action, formation of higher top, higher bottom, and the daily momentum indicator having a positive crossover has led us to change our short-term trend to positive with a target of 87.50 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.